Hi everyone, I'm Coach Medai. Today I'm going to share with you about my little advice. Okay? This advice will be for the younger generation, the younger actor or younger performer. Yeah. And now, frankly speaking, I'm also learning. I'm also continue to learning. So in this channel, it's not like a teaching. I'm teaching you from patronizing point of view. No. I'm sharing to you about my stuff in my experience or in my brain. Yeah, that's very simple. It's just a share. Okay. And today's conclusion is, okay, for younger generation, please have the habit of persistent. Yeah, please continue to do one thing. That's very important. Okay, because I think whatever you do, okay, whatever you try to do or whatever you try to challenge, I think continue to do. Persistence is very important. And for you guys, you start to challenge into this entertainment world, or trying to become an actor, or trying to do something. Okay, for the first time, a lot of people, me too, a lot of people, for the first period of 1 month or 2 months, we are very eager, we are very passionate, and we try to do things very eagerly, passionately, and we put a lot of effort for this. But after 3 months or 4 months, you didn't have any results. You're not paid off. You think you're not paid off. You put a lot of efforts, but you didn't get any results. Okay, you give up, or you resign, or you do other things. I think this is not good state. Okay, so please remember. Okay, little by little, is enough. Little by little, day by day, little step by step. You have to continue to a very long way. Please have your long-term vision. Okay, not short-term. That's very simple, but that's very important. Yeah. Okay, continue to do. Persistence is very important. This is the first things that I want to share with you. And second things, okay, in many kinds of words, there are many kinds of great people. Yeah, it's like your idol, or it's like very genius. For example, in acting world, there are many kinds of great actor. They are the genius. They are talented actor, right? And when you watch them, you think, oh, they are talented. They are the genius. Okay, but this thinking is sometimes this kind of way of thinking will stop your thinking. The word of genius, or the word of talented, Okay? If you think these words, you will stop your thinking. And you often think, okay, it is impossible for me to attain that goal they are attaining. It is impossible for me to do that because they are genius. I'm not genius. They are talented. I'm not talented. So please be careful of using this term, this word, talented or genius. Okay? Please think this way. They are great. They are great actors. But we are human beings. We are the same human beings, right? They are not alien. Yeah. It is impossible for them to go back to their house and they became an alien, suddenly have increased their eyes and increase their fingers, or that's impossible because they are human beings as you. So please think this way. They are human beings. So I can do that. How can I do that? How can I attain the goal that they attain? Okay, that's very important. So your attitude is very important, and your mindset. If you see the great people, genius or talented people, please think this way. They are human beings as you. You can do it. So how can I do that? What kind of way do I have to attain that level? And the thing is, your attitude, your habits. Okay? Your attitudes makes your level, makes your height of your level. Okay? We are human beings. There is no thing that impossible, right? That's it. That is today I want to share with you. Okay? So please take note, or please mind a little bit and put my sharing into your withdrawal, into your head. Yeah, aside little bit. Okay? That's it. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.